All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but if the compressor fails, it can seriously mess up your whole air conditioning system. Sometimes you even gotta replace the whole condenser. So, the compressor is basically the heart of your AC, pumping refrigerant through the system to keep things chilly. If it goes out, your AC won't blow cold air anymore, and that's a big problem when summer hits hard. First thing, always check for strange noises or if your AC is struggling to cool down. Those are red flags for compressor trouble. Make sure you keep your AC unit clean. Dust and debris can cause parts to overheat or fail faster. Changing your air filters regularly helps too, because clogged filters make the system work harder and wear out sooner. If you notice your electric bills spiking without a change in use, that might mean your compressor is working overtime or failing. Don't ignore leaks around your AC unit either. Refrigerant leaks often point to compressor issues. Calling a professional early on can save you from having to replace big parts like the condenser later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC compressors is ignoring early warning signs like weird sounds or poor cooling, which usually leads to more damage and costly repairs. Another common problem is skipping routine maintenance. Without regular checkups and filter changes, your compressor and condenser are more likely to fail. Finally, trying to fix a compressor issue yourself or hiring unqualified contractors can cause more harm than good, sometimes making you replace the entire condenser unnecessarily. The best fix is staying on top of maintenance, spotting problems early, and trusting experienced pros to handle repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and deliver quality work without the hassle. At the same time, it gives contractors a platform to connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone wins.